How to download Cuphead on PC. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So in order to download Cuphead, you have to first install Steam application in your device. Now, once you have downloaded Steam in your device, get logged into your account, you will see a page like this. In here, you will also see a search bar. Then here, type in Cuphead and then search. As you know that this is not a free game, and you have to pay a certain amount for this. This is the exact application which you should download. Click on Add to Cart. Click on View My Cart. At the section, simply select the thing that you would like to purchase and click on Continue the payment. At the section, select your payment method, click Continue. And likewise, you have to add your payment method like your card details. Once you do so, pay the amount and then you can play this game after purchasing it from Steam.